Remember us?
We're back! Listen, we know it's been like a million YouTube years since we posted a video, but we have a really good excuse.
We do?
No, not really. We are super sorry though, and as a peace offering, we are proud to present Eric and Pisha ROBOPUNCH Old Memes!
Did it! Nailed it!
Yeah.
The following footage is all stuff we shot last year while we were still figuring out what to do with this channel.
Yeah, the robot, ROBOPUNCH, wasn't really working. It's kind of an on-set disaster. So without further ado, please enjoy this montage of old memes. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that montage and maybe forgive us a little bit.
And hey, here's a sneak peek of our next episode where we ROBOPUNCH some giant Lego sets. 3, 2, 1, fire!
That episode is gonna come out in just a few weeks, so stay tuned. You don't have to like and subscribe, just don't maybe unsubscribe.
Yeah.
Bye!